Most people are buying gifts, stressing over Christmas dinner, or driving to relatives. But let's not forget the true reason for the season. It's about presence over presents, slowing down and spending time with the family, enjoying fresh air, laughs, love, and hugs. This moment we share will matter more than what's under the tree. Choose connection, choose love, and choose togetherness. Pause today and catch some fresh air. Spend some time with the family or give someone that you love a hug. Drop in the comment section if you are truly present. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click like or share it with someone who needs a simple reminder what the true reason for the season is about. Hi, I'm Bright, Dallas, Texas dancer and yoga teacher. Follow along for my journey, inspiring big dreams to make bold moves and brightening smiles along the way. Until next time.